Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a craft, a book, or a notebook. So first you just want to get a piece of paper. Doesn't matter if it's drawn on. So you need this and glue, some glue. I brought two because, purple glue probably sticks the best. So I'm going to use this one. So now what we're going to do is that you need scissors, a pencil to help you, so glue, scissors, and a pencil. Now let's get started. So first you want to take the paper and you want to draw in the half, just a little strip that you can roll. Okay, so a little line. Just like in the middle of the paper. So just like that. Just a little paper. And then cut it. So let's get cutting. Don't use pen because it's gonna be hard to not notice it. So if you want to use pen, then go ahead, but I recommend pencil. You can always pause the video. Alright, now we got our piece of paper. So now we're going to take it and we're going to roll it this way. This way. So just tiny little rolls. Just like tiny, like that. Just tiny, really tiny. You just keep rolling it. And this, gonna look like this, and then flip it one more time and take the edges and glue them down. Like this. It's gonna look like this. It may look funky on the back, but that's okay. Now we're gonna get to the notebook part. So this part needs to stay down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little base in order to make it stay down. So we're just gonna write a little box. Tiny, real tiny. And then this is the part we're gonna use the glue. So we're gonna glue it in the middle. So we're gonna draw some markings. Alright, so you're going to use your paper that you drew, and this is all the spots you're going to glue. You're going to glue right there. So let's get our glue out and start gluing. Oh, come on. So fat glob of glue. You don't want it to not stick. And now what you're going to do is that you're going to take this back and you're going to carefully put it on the glue. Do not make any glue show. So it's going to look like this. Just push it down. Under here is glue. So now it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. And now we're going to do some more cutting. So these edges right here don't need to be there. You just need the part so you can hold it down so those flaps aren't showing. So we're going to cut the part. Careful not to cut the notebook strip. One piece cut. Let's cut the other side. Remember, you can always pause the video. Careful not to cut the notebook part. Alright, I kind of messed up on the edge. But that's okay. So right now it's going to look like this. There's no more flaps because this little thing is on here. So make sure the base is standing. So now we're going to push it down just like this. It's okay if it's sticking up a little bit. Now we're getting to the notebook pages. So we're just going to cut boxes. Little square boxes, like I'll show you. Make sure it's not bigger than this piece of paper. If it's bigger, you messed up. Just a small piece. Just really tiny. Like this size of the notebook. I'm going to take this little edge and fold it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the flap and then glue it on. So let's do that right now. Take our glue the little flap right here. Alright, now we're going to glue it down. So we're just going to glue it down. It's going to look like this. So now you're going to take the flap that you glued and you're going to take it in the middle and glue it like this. But we have to make more of these copies. So you're going to keep doing that. So guys, you can watch YouTube. I mean, like, do something while I'm getting these little strips, because it's really hard to do all of them at the same time. So I'm going to do 2 right now, you know, for the sake of time. So if it's a little bit off like this, cut it. So now they should be the same size. Now, since you folded it, the flap should be on the back. So now we're going to do the folding of this. So now we're going to glue the thing on it. So we're going to glue it right in the middle where the stand is. So right there. We're going to click it down for the piece that we glued. So we're going to glue it right there. So there's a lot of glue and scissors required. If you don't like my version, you can go ahead and watch other people's videos, but I haven't done this yet. So, alright, so glue it on, so it's gonna look like this. Alright, we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just kidding, we're not done. This is not the notebook. So, basically, do the same thing with the other side, with the other slip of paper. You can always add more pages, but I want to save some time because I don't want to sit here writing a million pages. So, oh, dang it. So, I'm just going to do 2 pages for you guys because I don't want to make you wait here all day watching me do that. Alright, now glue this together. So when you flip the pages, it's going to be like this. You can make the sides a little bit bigger. I made them small, but you can always do it the same to make it bigger. So you see, you can hold this down and you can flip the page. So now what you're going to do is you're going to cut these sides. And look, and there is your tiny little notebook. It's not the best notebook, I can admit it, but it is actually super cute. And if you can draw on it if you want to and make some cute designs. So if you guys want more pages, just go ahead and do the same steps with the paper and folding and stuff. But you can also make bigger pages. This was just my way of making it. So tiny notebook,